Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my third video. In this video, I will share for you about my desire or dreams. Now, I want to interview someone. She is my friend and she is my classmate in fashion design department. So, I will give your time to introduce yourself. You're welcome. Now, please introduce yourself.
My name is Rizka Eka Dewi. I'm I'm classmate friend for Ula of Ula,
And
I'm study in University of Malang.
oh yes, she is a funny friend.
Yes, funny. Lanjut Mbak.
And now I want to ask you, what do you think about desire?
Desire is a dream and wishes people in the future. The most of people have a desire. TikTok. Desire is dream and wishes people in the future. The most of people have a desire for the goals. Wow, jangan gitu lah, kan orang pura-pura mikir gitu. And another side, the most of people just for fantasy in fantasy of them. Ulang.
Are you ready? And now I want to ask for you about desire. What do you think about desire?
Desire is dream and wishes people in the future. The most of people have a desire for the goals
Of the man. And
yes.
that's right.
maybe
Okay. Do you have a desire in your future? Can you tell me about your desire?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I will be a career woman, a designer, and I will make big business in clothing industry. And I wish and I'm very the dream in my life.
Oh yes, I think that is a big dreams in your life, and that's great. You have explained about your desire for me, and now I want to ask you, why do you choose your desire? Perhaps do you have a special reason for your desire?
Because first I will be proud my parents. Two, I will be rich people, and I will be like I want in my life.
Yay!
LOL!
From your reason, what it is your passion?
Inshallah, I believe and trying it must be the passion, my dream, and I share wishes my parents in good. this is my parent is good.
Oh yes. What does the person support of your desire?
Of course, first from my parents first, my family, my best friend, and they are very support my desire.
Just parents? Just your parents?
Yeah, just
No another person support your desire?
no something-somethingan. No,
In your
one for my parents.
What about your boyfriend?
No, no boyfriend. Nothing.
Special person in your life?
Nothing special.
Eh?
And special is parents.
Oh yes, your parents is a
Parent
special
is
person.
Yeah,
Oh
special.
yeah. Okay. And now I want to ask you about your desire. How do you do for reach your desire?
Now accepted in fashion designer department.
Mm-mm.
I
I
learn and get a lot of experience how to start sewing, cutting, making pattern, and many more, and how to see the process of an industry garment or confection.
Okay. Do you have an obstacles for your desire? Can you tell me about that?
Maybe because I don't want the correct to develop my business thinking,
Yes.
so I haven't had a great memorable experience.
Okay. Thank you, Rizka, for your time. You
You're
want give some time for me to interview for you? And from my interview someone, I get some conclusion. The most of people have a desire in their life, and the most of people will be a success people in their future. And dream is a first step to make it happen. And you must remember, dream just become an imagination if you sleep for a long time. So, come on, let's get up. Get up, wake up, my friends, and follow your passion. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. And you will create your happiness in your words and be success. I think that's all enough for my interview someone in this video, and I hope we will see you again in the next time with good condition. I'm sorry for my mistake for use English, and thank you for your watching my videos, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.